van driver screamed at somebody crossing? I don't know. What the fuck?
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking joy in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me lay face here. Put hands on the door in your eye.
He's moving for the bus. It's not enough. I don't want to run that gauntlet. This is like a it's like a gauntlet of car mirrors. Just so you know, Drift released the Drift Ghost XL, and I'm currently in possession of one. There's an issue. The audio hissing. I don't know if you remember one of my videos where I said audio issues. That was the Drift Ghost XL, and I'm hoping Drift sort that out, 'cause I cannot use it. I'm back to using the Drift Ghost X until that's resolved. That is a pretty view. I don't think the police will be too thrilled with me going up there. That's just asking for trouble. Normally I would, but that's just asking for it. Are you taking a piss, mate? Where angels fear to tread. I don't have enough data. I cannot continue. Oh, there you go. It's a good fucking. It's a good thing I didn't go.
Stop.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Left.
Left.
Yep.
Oh, Jesus. Taking me down the cobbled dark alleys now. You're going to murder me.
It crossed my mind.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Have you got enough petrol for today?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Are you sure?
I've got about 50 miles, so. Why is that funny?
Every time, but when you come out, you're like, oh, I get petrol. I'm with you.
Wedgie.
Wedgie?
Did you say wedgie?
I said I'm with you.
Oh, right.
Oh, he didn't like you. He gave you a proper day.
Yeah, for going when I was meant to go and him going when he wasn't meant to go. Yeah, the red man. Or was there not a pedestrian light there?
No, I think there was.
Yeah, it's like he was probably angry at himself. He was like, I'm so disappointed in myself.
His mum's gonna be really upset with him. Oh, nice.
Yeah, we're going in this bus lane we're not meant to be.
Oh, it's something in my eye. Ow, ow, ow,
An
ow,
eyeball.
ow, 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 ow. It's definitely not an eyeball.
Another eye in your eye.
I actually think you've slipped something in my eye again.
Oh, wicked.
That's
Keep
not
putting
wicked.
things in your eye.
You fucking bully.
Yeah, we're going straight for a while, so.
Wicked. Oh, hello. Fuck you, cop. You can't go through the red light just because you're a police car.
You need to at least have blues and twos on.
He doesn't even have anything. Doesn't have a life or anything. Fuck off. I'd just like to say as a disclaimer, I'm not a cop hater. Pardon me.
Lovely. Let me have a smell.
You can if you want. It just smells like Diet Coke.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry.
Keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper.
God's sake.
Your driver to in the car and keep the engine running. Any questions?
No, boss, no problem.
If anybody gets in your way, you know what to do.